Hi, I'm Anisha, and this is the Pop Mela tutorial for a remixed version of Na 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 Nade. Na 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 Nade. Na 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 Nade is a very famous old Bhangra song that Daler Mehndi sang, and it was very, very common in the 90s and the early 2000s, but this remix version is pretty cool, so it's really fun for a whole group dance, or especially if you have like a bunch of groomsmen or a bunch of guys that like are kind of having like a cool mix of Bhangra and a little bit of techno and a little bit of swag. That's the vibe of this dance, so I hope you enjoy it. So this is section 1 of Na 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 Nade, and you're going to start with your back facing the audience. So I'm going to show the hands first, and then I will turn. So you're going to start with your hands facing the bottom left, and you're going to bop away as you twist the light bulb. So your left hand is extended, right hand is about belly level, and you're just going to go 1, 2, switch to the opposite side, 3, 4. Now you're going to go to the left and you're going to go to the top, 5, 6. And when you do this, your left leg is going to bend and you're going to kind of come down more into a squat. So you're going to go 5, 6, and then the other side, 7, 8. So what that looks like when you're facing the back, again, you're starting on the left. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, bend, 5, 6, 7, 8.